Right now, there's an AI tool that can turn your voice into any celebrity's voice in just 3 seconds. And it's completely free. While everyone's obsessing over ChatGPT, there are 10 incredible AI tools hiding in plain sight that most people have never heard of. These aren't just cool party tricks. They are game changers that could save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. I'm talking about AI that writes better than humans, creates Hollywood-level videos, and even predicts the future with scary accuracy. By the end of this video, you'll have access to 10 secret weapons that put you years ahead of everyone else. Let's dive in. Number 10. Perplexity AI. This isn't just another search engine. Perplexity processes over 100 million searches per month and gives you cited sources like a research assistant with a PhD. Unlike Google, it doesn't just show you links. It reads everything and gives you the perfect answer in seconds. Students are using this to write research papers that would normally take weeks. Business owners are making million-dollar decisions based on market research that happens instantly. The crazy part? It's trained on real-time data, so you're getting information that's literally hours old, not months. Number 9. RunwayML. Here's something wild. This AI can create professional videos from just text descriptions. We're talking about footage that looks like it came from a Hollywood studio. The tool has generated over 50 million video clips since launch. Type a cat riding a skateboard in slow motion and boom, you get cinema-quality footage. YouTubers are using this to create content without cameras. Marketing agencies are saving thousands on video production. The technology behind this is so advanced, it's basically magic disguised as software. Number 8. Claude by Anthropic. While everyone fights over ChatGPT, Claude quietly became the smartest AI assistant on the planet. It can process documents up to 200,000 words long. That's like reading an entire novel in one go and remembering every detail perfectly. Lawyers are feeding it 500-page contracts for instant analysis. Writers are uploading entire manuscripts for editing feedback. The AI doesn't just read your documents, it understands context better than most humans do. Number 7. Playground AI. This image generator creates artwork so realistic, museums are starting to display AI art. Over 10 million images are created on this platform every single day. You can generate professional logos, social media content, or fine art masterpieces. Graphic designers, who used to charge hundreds of dollars per project, are now competing with free AI. The quality is so good that art experts can't tell the difference between AI and human-created work. Small businesses are saving fortunes on marketing materials. Number 6. Gamma. Presentations just got revolutionized. This AI creates PowerPoint-style decks that look like they were designed by Apple's creative team. Users report saving 15 hours per presentation on average. You literally type what you want to present about, and Gamma handles everything else. The layouts, color schemes, and content flow are so professional, people assume you hired an expensive agency. Students, entrepreneurs, and corporate executives are using this to create presentations that blow minds in boardrooms. Number 5. Speechify. Reading just became obsolete. This AI voice technology is so advanced, it sounds more human than actual humans. The platform processes over 2 million words per day into natural speech. You can listen to emails, articles, or entire books while driving, exercising, or cooking. The voices are so realistic, audiobook narrators are worried about their jobs. Busy professionals are consuming twice as much information by turning everything into podcasts. Your commute time just became learning time. Number 4. Fireflies AI. Meeting notes will never be the same. This tool joins your video calls and takes perfect notes automatically. It's currently analyzing over 4 million meetings per month worldwide. The AI doesn't just transcribe, it identifies action items, decisions, and key topics. Sales teams are using it to never miss important client details again. Remote workers are finally free from the nightmare of manual note-taking. The accuracy rate is over 90%, which is better than most human note-takers. Number 3. Consensus. Research papers used to take months to analyze properly. This AI reads thousands of scientific studies and gives you instant answers to research questions. It has analyzed over 200 million academic papers and counting. Instead of spending weeks reading studies about nutrition or technology, you get evidence-based answers in seconds. Doctors, researchers, and curious minds are using this to access decades of human knowledge instantly. The tool literally makes you smarter by giving you access to the world's collective scientific knowledge. Number 2. Tome. Creating professional documents just got easier than ordering coffee. This AI builds entire presentations, reports, and pitches from simple prompts. Users are creating pitch decks that secure millions in funding. The platform generates over 100,000 documents every single day. Marketing teams are producing campaigns that would normally require entire creative agencies. Entrepreneurs are building business plans that impress investors. The AI understands business language so well, it's like having a consulting firm in your pocket. But here's the number 1 AI tool that will absolutely blow your mind. ElevenLabs. This voice cloning technology is so advanced, it borders on scary. The AI can clone any voice from just 30 seconds of audio sample. We're talking perfect mimicry that fools family members. The platform processes over 5 million voice generations monthly. Podcasters are creating content in multiple languages without speaking them. Content creators are bringing historical figures back to life for educational videos. Authors are turning their books into audiobooks using their own cloned voice. The technology is so realistic, it's raising serious questions about the future of human voice work. But here's the responsible part. ElevenLabs has built-in safeguards to prevent misuse. The potential for content creation is limitless and frankly, a bit mind-blowing. These 10 tools aren't just free, they are reshaping entire industries while most people aren't even paying attention. If this video opened your eyes to possibilities you never knew existed, smash that subscribe button right now. I'm dropping daily AI updates that could change your life overnight. Tomorrow, I'm revealing the AI tool that's making people millionaires while they sleep. You won't want to miss it. The future is happening whether you're ready or not, but at least now you're armed with the tools to thrive in it.